Have you ever spent hours editing just a 1-minute video? Cutting silences, adding subtitles, fixing audio, just to end up exhausted and still not happy with the result? Well, what if I told you there's an AI tool that does all of that in minutes, automatically, and with results that look like your favorite creators on TikTok and YouTube? This is SubMagic, the all-in-one AI editor that's changing how short-form content gets made. From dynamic subtitles in 50+ languages to one-click viral magic clips, from smart auto cuts and silence removal to royalty-free music, sound effects, zooms, transitions, and even AI-generated B-roll, SubMagic doesn't just edit your videos, it creates attention-grabbing content in record time. And yes, it even cleans your audio, writes your descriptions, adds hashtags and thumbnail suggestions. If you're serious about making content faster and better, you'll want to try SubMagic. Click the link down below to explore it now. Okay, and right now, what you're seeing on the screen is the homepage interface of SubMagic. To create an account, just click the Try for Free button. And here, you'll see there are 2 ways to register an account. First, you can sign up using your Google account. Second, you can register using your email address. And to keep things simple, I'll register using my Google account. Just choose your Google account and click Continue. Now, when we first create an account, the software will ask if you want to add team members so they can collaborate using the same account. But for now, I'll skip this step. All right, this is the main interface of the software. As you can see, the interface is quite straightforward. Right in the center of the screen, you'll notice 2 main features. The first one is Generate Caption, meaning you can upload your short video and the software will automatically add subtitles, as well as B-roll clips, and maybe some effects too. I'll review these features for you shortly. Next to that, there's another feature for turning long videos into short ones. All you need to do is upload a long video and the software will automatically split it into a short version. However, if you want to add effects, you'll need to use this Generate Caption feature. And in this video, I'll review the main feature of the software, which is exactly Generate Caption. To access this feature, click right here. Now, the software will ask you to upload your video, so click here to start uploading. Select the location of your video. Okay, I've uploaded my video. Down here, you can select the language of your video. Make sure to choose the correct one. There's also a multi-speaker option. This means, if your video has more than one person speaking, you can turn this on. It will create subtitles with different colors for each speaker, so each character has their own subtitle color. In this clip, there are 2 speakers, so I'll turn this feature on. Next, we also have a subtitle translation feature. You can translate your subtitles into any language. Just click here, although this feature is only available in the paid version, so I'll skip it for now. To continue, click Generate Caption. And wait a moment while the software auto-generates the subtitles for us. All right. The software has generated a video, complete with subtitles. Let's preview it a little.
Do you think after dinner, you and I could have a little fun, maybe?
As you can see, these subtitles have been auto-inserted by the software. In addition, you'll see a bunch of editing tools here. Let me demo them for you. Right up here at the top, you'll find 3 key functions. First, Trim, to cut or edit parts of your script. Second, Caption, which we're using now. And third, adding B-roll to your video. Let's walk through each one. Starting with Trim. This is the interface. On the left side are subtitle segments automatically generated from your uploaded video. The AI detects the speech and writes out the subtitles accordingly. Here's a quick look. In between subtitle segments, you'll see breaks. These short pauses, like 0.12s or 0.24s, mean the speaker paused. In this area, you can remove any parts you don't want. For instance, say I want to delete this part. Just highlight the section, click Remove from Selection. And done. The subtitle is gone. Below here, you'll see the video timeline. You can zoom in or out and scroll through. If you want to bring something back, highlight the white section and click the same spot again. Or highlight a section and click Remove from Selection, and it'll go white, meaning that part is skipped in the video. Click Reset to return to the original version. Now, if you want to keep only a small part of your script, highlight the part you want, click Keep Only Selected, and the software will trim everything else. Matching the subtitles, the video itself will be trimmed accordingly. Click Reset to undo all that. Next, here are some advanced time-saving tools. First, remove bad takes. This removes all your ums, ahs, and meaningless speech, but this feature is pro only. Then, remove silence. It skips over silent parts of your video, saving you trimming time. Or you can filter out unwanted words. But again, this needs the paid version. Let's move to the Caption tab. Here, you can pick different subtitle styles. Try clicking on one. See how your subtitles appear. I'll choose this style. You can also adjust the caption position. Move it up or down. I'll leave it in the center. Change font, subtitle size. Make it bigger or smaller. You can also change subtitle color. If you turned on multi-speaker earlier, each speaker will have their own color. There's a filter here too, like emoji subtitles, trending styles, premium, paid, or the default speaker style. Click Edit Caption for deeper subtitle customization. Each line here is an individual subtitle, and you can modify each. Size, position. Highlight the text, it'll pop out more. You can preview how the highlighted subtitle appears. Click Reset to remove these effects. You can also toggle subtitles on or /off, or delete them entirely. Click into any word to add a line break, or remove the break. Split subtitles into two. Click the word, then split into new line. Assign each line to a specific speaker. Speaker 1, yellow text. Speaker 2, white text. You can fix any misidentification by reassigning it. Add sound effects by clicking here, insert at the chosen word. Adjust volume or remove. You can even add words if something's missing, or delete unwanted ones. Now, there's a cool feature, Generate Hook Title. This adds an attention-grabbing title at the beginning of your video. You can edit the text, choose from template styles, change fonts, boldness, colors, size, and position. Adjust the duration of the hook, like 2 or 3 seconds. Note, the hook will overlay your initial subtitles, so some lines will be hidden depending on the duration. If you're using the free version, remove the hook to avoid export issues. Finally, let's talk about B-roll. For auto, click Magic B-roll, then Generate. The software will insert clips that match your subtitles. If you want to remove them, click Reset. Or, manually add B-roll by selecting specific scenes. Search matching video clips, GIFs, or images based on keywords. There's also a magic zoom effect. The software auto-applies zoom effects for dynamic movement. Try different zoom styles, linear, fast zoom, etc. Delete them if needed, especially when using the free version. Up top, we've got other settings. Color, adjust brightness and contrast. Brand, add your logo or brand text. Audio, reduce background noise, or add background music. Choose from available tracks or upload your own. You can also choose a thumbnail, upload an image, or select a frame from your video. Use arrow keys to browse frames and pick your favorite. Lastly, here's a unique feature: eye contact correction. If during filming you weren't looking at the camera, this feature corrects your eye contact, so it looks like you're always looking directly at the viewer. Super cool. But pro version only. All right, once you're done editing, click Export. Choose video quality. Default is Full HD. To export in 2K or 4K, upgrade to the Pro version. You can also choose frame rate, 30 or 60 frames per second. Note, using the free version adds a watermark. To remove it, you'll need to upgrade. Click Export to render your final video. There it is, a complete video ready to go. Click Download Video to save, or click Edit Video if you want to make more changes. SubMagic is the kind of tool that makes you wonder, why did I ever edit manually? It's fast, it's smart, and it helps you create videos that look and sound amazing. Whether you're a solo creator, agency, or content team, this tool saves hours of work every single week. Ready to see what it can do? Click the link in the description and try Sub. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.